So this outline structures presentation or report on digital inequality using a case study approach to highlight two key issues: unequal access to technology and internet connectivity, and the perpetuation of inequality through biased algorithms. The access divide section would use statistics and specific example to illustrate the consequences of limited access on education and economic opportunities. So the algorithmic bias section will detail how biased data in algorithms leads to discriminatory outcomes in areas like loan applications and hiring. Following the case studies, the presentation would address the ethical implications, emphasizing fairness, transparency, and accountability in technology development. It would then discuss the social responsibilities of individuals, organizations, and governments in tackling this issue. Finally, it would propose concrete solutions such as infrastructure, investment, and digital literacy programs, showcase successful initiatives, and conclude with a call to action encouraging audience participation in bridging the digital divide. The core argument of the presentation centers on the urgent need to address digital inequality not merely as a technological challenge, but as a profound social justice issue. The widening gap between those with and without access to technology and its benefits creates and exacerbates existing inequalities, hindering educational attainment, economic advancement, and overall social participation. Addressing this requires a multi-pronged approach involving significant investment in infrastructure, comprehensive digital literacy programs tailored to diverse populations, and the development and implementation of ethical guidelines for algorithm design and deployment. Ultimately, bridging the digital divide demands a collective effort from individuals, organizations, and government, fostering a more equitable and inclusive digital society. Algorithmic bias, a particularly insidious aspect of digital inequality, deserves significant attention. While algorithms offer the potential for efficiency and automation, their reliance on historical data often perpetuates existing societal biases. This means that systems designed to be objective can inadvertently discriminate against marginalized groups in areas like loan approvals, hiring processes, and even criminal justice. Addressing this requires not only technical solutions, such as developing bias detection and mitigation techniques, but also a critical examination of the data used to train these algorithms and a commitment to creating more representative and equitable data sets. Transparency in algorithmic processes is crucial to ensure accountability and allow for public scrutiny. Several initiatives to bridge the digital divide often involve community-based partnerships and a deep understanding of local context. Simply providing internet access isn't enough. Effective programs must also address digital literacy, providing training and support to ensure individuals can confidently and effectively utilize technology. This might involve community workshops, mentorship programs, or the development of culturally relevant digital resources. Furthermore, sustainable solutions require long-term commitments from both public and private sectors, ensuring ongoing maintenance and support for infrastructure and digital literacy initiatives. So, these collaborative efforts, grounded in community needs and sustained over time, are key to creating lasting impact. Ethical considerations surrounding digital inequality are paramount. The development of and deployment of technology should be guided in principles of fairness, transparency, and accountability. This necessitates a shift in mindset, moving away from a purely technological focus towards a more holistic approach that considers the social and ethical implications of technology. So, organizations and governments have a responsibility to ensure that technological advancement benefit all members of society, not just a privileged few. This requires proactive measures to mitigate bias, promote inclusivity, and ensure that technology serves as a tool for empowerment rather than for their marginalization. Open discussions and public engagement are crucial to shaping a more ethical and equitable digital future.